Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from, and a very, very solid day today. Very strong afternoon. In fact, the last 30 minutes, you can see biggest volume it had all day, and this was not the breakout had already happened, but just helped get that much more continuation of the breakout. What is this breakout, you say? Well, hey, thank you for asking. If you watched the previous videos, then hopefully you remember me talking about 307, that red line there. But if you haven't, then I talked about 307, and that was just a very stubborn area. But like I said, right there this afternoon, finally got the breakout of that level, which prompts the first update that needs to be done. And this update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closes above, you want to see them act as support. So one of the newest areas of support, what I would call the ideal level, when we say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? Definitely if the price can stay above 307. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below 307, that doesn't mean the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could stay above that level, that would definitely be a great sign of power. Now, taking a step back, I'm actually going to get rid of that line. It's not relevant anymore. But taking the big step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture, that's where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. As the name implies, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So from the grand scheme of it all, and in terms of judging the health of the overall movement, that right there I'm defining as the overall movement. Just watch the purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Now, as far as areas of resistance are concerned, have a good problem to have. We're going to have to squeeze down the chart here quite a bit. So yes, I realize it's getting a little bit harder to see, but again, always a good problem to have when you have to go back this far in the chart's history. Next key overall level of resistance going to be right up here around $3.25. So $3.25, public enemy number one going forward. Definitely within striking distance, but yeah, the trend continues. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.